All right. It was good, John. It's been a long time. I've been pretty busy with car stuff, school, life, recovery on track app state. But I wanted to give y'all another POV drive. It's kind of snowing right now, but well, not really. But I did a little bit of updates to the car. It might look a little bit blacker. I spray painted the grill, the little front lip, along with this thing up here, the Boss 302 valance, front valance, the little side skirt thing. And then I blacked out everything on the back. I just got the little silver GT badges, changed my license plate. Got a new Valvetronic exhaust, I'll show you that. And that's really it. Car still full bolts on cam, 2010 Mustang GT, watt box starlights, all that stuff. So let me start it up. Actually, I'll give you one more walk around before I start it up real quick. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I feel like I could go lower. Oh yeah, I put spacers on the front. I think it was like an inch spacer. I'm trying to put like some 15mm spacers in the back, but I need to order some extended lugs so I can put those on. I'll probably make a video since I want to try to be a little bit more consistent. But yeah, look at all this snow, bro, it's smacking me in the face. There's a little button for the exhaust. Hopefully it'll warm up fast so I can hear the cam. And I'll show you all the valves open and close. Okay. And then here's with the valves closed.
Nope.
Oh, come on.
Nope.
Oh, come on. Alright, there you go. So yeah, it's pretty quiet with them closed. I like it a lot. The only thing is I got a tiny, well not tiny, but I got a exhaust leak over here. So that sounds crazy from this side, but that's about it. But yeah, I'm about to give y'all a little POV drive. I'll shut up so y'all can hear the car. I'll roll down the window a little bit. And yeah. Oh yeah, and that's there. And I gotta figure out what that's for. So, whoa, you're running funny. Let's see. You're still running funny, but it's okay. We're gonna drive anyway. Let me check if it's still recording. Yep. I don't know why it's running so weird. I was just driving normal, and it was good. And yes, it is automatic, but it is okay.
She is very gorgeous to me.
And this parking garage is where the App State Police Department is too. So I'll give y'all like a little inside sound of what it sounds like with the valves closed, since I gotta close them when I get down there. Where's the remote? God. close it for her. She was covering her ears. I felt bad. But yeah, look. It's App State PD. This is their little office. But they're cool people though. I never really have any problems with them, so. But yeah. Let's do a little, it's cold as balls, but I'm gonna still do this shit for y'all. Cause why not? I got snow hit me in my damn face. And I'ma just probably like, actually I'll go to King Street. Drive around Boone for y'all. So in the last POV drive, I was fully straight pipe. Pipes long tube, Catalyst X pipe, and then some straight pipes. But I have the Valvetronic exhaust, so no more drone on the inside with valves open or closed. This is the class. This is the building I have literally every single one of my classes in. Here's the box launch control. Windows down in the snow is absurd. This hurts, bro.
Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
And yes, I be downshifting in this little automatic. But it sounds good. Everybody turn around, but right thing. Oh my god. It's not super bad, it's just normal King Street. I don't know when it stopped recording, but I'm on King Street right now. This is the main street of Boone. I'm trying to do a little bit of fun stuff for y'all. I don't know kind of where I can do it, but I'm gonna try. Get something. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that's honky. Oh, wow. Oh, I should let y'all hear it with the valves closed right now, since we're like on a lot of buildings. This is open, and then this is closed. You can still hear a little bit because of the exhaust leak, but I mean, you can damn near not hear nothing. But yeah, let this person park real quick. They done got me at the stoplight, bro. I look crazy with this head thing on. But I'm trying to make some money. I'm trying to get this thing supercharged. I don't give a goddamn. Oh yeah, and it's so cold, my mount froze, so I can't even hang this up anymore. You some watt box action. Oh my God, it's picking up. I gotta get back to the crib, bro. Ooh. All with the press of a button. It's kind of crazy. I'll do it one more time. I should be able to let it rip a little bit up here. Ew. Too damn cold for this. My favorite hill right here. I do all my watt box activities right here. I'll show y'all real quick. See, every time my tires spin, my car like fucks up because of that advanced track shit. I love this shit, man. Oh my God, this wind is OD. I'm getting right back home. My hand's freezing. I got y'all with the content, but hold on, let's see if I can. Oh, God. I'm gonna do one more pull up this little hill with the watt box. Hopefully my tires don't spin. Try to make, okay, nobody's in the way. Yeah, buddy. This is the high school, the only high school here. I just washed my car yesterday. I know this bitch is dirty, y'all. It is what it is, though. Should I take it? Yeah, I'm taking it. Literally live right here. Don't hit me, please. Woo. Ah. Okay. Side of the road so I can turn it. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're gonna park right in front of my room. And my hands are freezing. Oh, God damn. Just letting y'all know I'm never doing this again with the windows down. I'm freezing right now. Alright. Give y'all one more y'all go inside. But yeah, oh yeah, she's dirty now, but it's okay. Let me close them real quick. Cause I'm at my apartment, but this is it. A nice little POV drive for y'all. Some pops and bangs and stuff like that, but yeah. I'm gonna try to stay more consistent. Hopefully y'all enjoy my content. I'm gonna try to stay towards the POV drives unless I do like a little installation, and then I'll try to get more towards the vlogs. But for right now, POV drives is gonna be where it's at. But hopefully I'll see y'all in the next one.